But then, so then I may come. I would like you to come and know where I stay.
No, before you know something like I'm very happy. No. Let give me this toast.
Yeah, so my peninsula.
I'm gonna be happy man again.
I've agreed to your proposal. Okay? Yeah.
Sure. You know something, my dear. I said, you know something like I'm going to make you happy.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
I'll
be Jovi. I
can come and break my heart.
I'll be coming there too. I swear. I'm going to make you happy. Trust me. Trust me. Sometimes me, my exes, then they regret saying they left me.
Hey, really?
Seriously. I'm to say, then company arrested. Then company friends. Oh, yes. Because I will make you happy. I will make you laugh. It's my dear. What my CD and meaning the credit. Oh, my dear. And I'm assuming, but I sure say, Tina, what Tima said, trust me. I will make you happy. There's not a day I may. I was to say MP that I always make you laugh. See you.
Thank you so much. But so, because I am very fragile. And first time I'm going through any heartbreaks. So,
I have no worries, my dear.
Okay.
Trust me, read my lips. Okay.
So, as you already know, I have my own business. I'm okay. I do my own stuff. I have a flat that I live in.
Wow.
Yeah. So you can always come and visit me. Even if you want to come and stay with me, that's fine. Yeah. Over to me now.
I don't mind staying because so sometimes company you see their because our work is somehow dangerous. You understand me? Yeah, you shouldn't be staying in one place. Also, changing environment now now all these guys
I get you.
Yeah. So I don't mind coming to stay with you. Trust me, I don't mind. Yeah.
Okay, since you promised not to break my heart, that's fine.
I'm not gonna break it. I'm not gonna break it.
I would still want to know
I said I'm not gonna break it.
Okay.
I'm not gonna.
I told them a cultural. At least my mom would say, "I would say, this is your house."
My dear, you have no worries about that. Debbie,
relax.
Come on, just look at you.
My greatest fear, so I need to ask.
I wanted to make you laugh right now. I'm not gonna break it. I'm not gonna break it.
Is that so?
I'm not gonna break it.
Okay.
Trust me, I'm not gonna break your heart, okay, my dear.
Okay.
So your schedules, for tomorrow, your schedules.
Yeah, tomorrow I'll be off. I'll not be going anywhere. I'll be home. International club, it's me. I'll be here.
Sure.
Yeah.
Then I'll be doing that. I'll be thinking and banging.
Arrested, my love.
Gigi, baby. You know something?
I believe you're going to really make me happy.
For sure, I'm going to make you happy. And you know something? I'm going to change your name to Best After Mom. I've lost mom, and you're going to be replacement of my mom. You are so dull and you're beautiful too.
Hold on, you've lost your mom?
Yeah, sure, I've lost mom.
Oh, sorry about that. I didn't know.
Oh, come on, it's normal.
But not even meet your mom.
Yeah.
But I hope your dad is around.
My dad is there. And then, I have someone, whom I do call mom, but only my biological, mom.
Mother.
Yeah,
okay.
Sure.
That's fine. Okay, until then, you have coffee.
All right.
Just take a stroll. That's fine.
I'm
You're really a nice person.
Same here. Same to you, my dear.
Don't break my heart.
Appreciate that now then even on the Emerson. Are you okay? Are they?
I didn't send my menjine. Nipa.
But it was like looks no any.
Gestures. I dream my brabo. Me dream me and Mijina home hope. Send me in Messi, I will me a baby as so but send me a costume. Now my young for so be our
maybe I was say, oh, like Satan on coy, anybody who in future wouldn't be busy watching our quarantine.
Time baby na me say here my brabo.
They will come out.
Ma warrior wo ba kono time baby na me say here my brabo. Ma fa be ma ko shini sansani a woni ne ho hwe. Be am ne nete. Ye medi kura me bre. Ade sama ko sinia ma. Me bre me ye cleaning. Asa na medidi. Be am ne nete. O ma me hwe.
I can't let bygones be bygones. No say excess na dey na obi on past experience. So life na dey osisu a won't ka say 1 million obi wo betimi afoba ko na ware atena at casket na baby. So but intensi. And forget o past. O no dey entan ka kra.
Be ma me na wo sisi ase ma me sare na nyima. O mbusa me kwase me ko hospital da. Ono na sem na America. Be ma oni ne ho hwe. Bra me se bra me bra bia me te. Your light cross on. Your light as a be man intimi tall light. E ma ye name. Sabe man asem na America. Di oni ma no se obekọ no waba. Obekọ no wa dress no waba. Be ma ko hwini bia ma ko fa to me ho so. Hi! Ready? Ma se ma bravo papa.
And I would say when I say like enkoma would did here and e bomidin plek wen. I mun say me na to say am pay mama because enkoma would did here as a me na wo refer to. Me mas na okay.
Eyawa.
No, yes.
I want am not. Share. Ajojo kwenti me hu say ona gina me nchen kafra. O dia na ejema ho e. Ho. Be ma me na ti asam na America. Me ne obo mo say me ti me nyi say e 3 months. Me nyanko hu doctor Mpomane prescribe ya duro bi ama me.
Ela.
Ti be ma me na ti na asam na America.
Ela. Enkoma would be nice and some say parameter was here. Nessa me na refer to me say me ko hwini me sansan.
And I said
Dabi you are saying it.
Face, let them worry.
I'll wait.
I'm wait.
But you say also like if I miss no also so ordinary.
I would him.
Dabi you say would him wonnim come in wodi. Say me say me ho nya tenant say me e bin dawo. Say ma say the right time no ye be wa. Me ka kire wo nanka wuti ma say mo a enkenye ni. Enkenye ni say wo say ko say 3 months say you. Say we wu yegu na ya pa bra babre. I say nso me say
why na you dey go?
Ah?
Why na you dey go?
No don't make it want to.
Me say me you. Arrested me say me hin say yo. Me say me hin say ne da. Intene da o kakra ya ngi ho firim. She, my carry dey wait 3 months me. Kache.
Ala metimi den masoro ma chima team. Ai! Ebi wa wonte. Aya na ejina bibi so ebibi ntia. Meku ba kofo ya me nkom edwene rent. Meku me edwene school akwa beko. Me edwene chop money, me edwene bills ni ade. Meku aten. Na me no na ti na me say emre we mu bi say me wonye dem ntimi ni ma me ho ya ha. Na temase na yen kai.
Me ko yi post am say o be kan sisi won. O be kan sisi me ko yi me nsem. Nsa say me so ka bi ma wo. So ka bi ma wo. You see the beast in me. So kase me nyimi yin na be hu dem de be yo. What bodam? O shiri sansani be me nyimi yin.
Slap me outside.
O say me sa kuma ma obi. Me sa kuma ma obi.
Ela like seriously.
What bodam? Come on listen so.
What you about bonten?
Dem de be jaw no ho. Asuboni kuresa. Me be tuti esu na say ma na say be.
No, it's okay in so.
Oh bodam.
A private thing
can
say.
Say why my brother? Can why my brother? Why my brother? My post educated person like me. Can my me ni me go she.
And no till me pese e brand be continue eti ka brand ke twa brand so sisi yi
jeje me
me nim say we buku banku
kobo samase
me say we Joshua Kote
kobo samase wo school
me nim say we Joshua Kote da nim da ba bali wo boxing
me di wo fetchi
ma ba lo boxing na wanya hwe ana odi
me wu na se me ko ba be ma be so de me so bi mu da me so be ma ni ma mo ni ma mo ma sa wi esu na ka me fa se mi se wo ye fu se ya wo be fa ma bre se ya
yes na me pen o yes na me pen what na bibi ntia me ye lazy me so na pa ko gba me ye lazy
ka sa ko na me se do be na ko ha do be na no se do ma no akunko e ri afo na ni afo.
Welcome home.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So this is my place. How do you see the place?
It's very simple and then it's very cute, you know.
I think patience. Yeah.
Hello.
How is it? Hello. Anyway, meet my younger sister.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's her name?
Patience.
Patience.
Patience, meet my husband to be. My boyfriend.
Oh, okay. Sure.
My boyfriend.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
Anyway,
Okay.
yeah. So.
Please, you didn't mention my name to me.
Yeah, I know you introduced her.
Oh, okay.
It's a patient. So they my boyfriend.
Oh, okay.
It's not something to be feeling. Just like maybe chill.
Oh,
baby, I met
oh, okay.
your friend of arrested.
Yeah. My real name is Coffee Points, but you can call me arrested. Simply means, I arrest beautiful girls as my friends. Yeah. I told them very joking. I told you. I told you that I'm very joking,
Okay, so
A minute, please. A minute. Yes, sir. Officer Tassa, yes, sir. Take him, sir. General, I sent the voice yesterday, sir. What? Tassa didn't you? What? Need to return back or what? He didn't. I'm sorry, sir. I will do that investigation, sir. Early in the morning, sir. Thank you, sir. Copy, sir. Roger, that copy. Thank you, sir. Okay, bye-bye.
Well, oh, that's nice. Patience, don't forget or something. CID.
Oh, really?
Did you know?
Wow.
It's not your fault.
I can see.
I'm so sorry, okay?
Oh,
That's all
You're
right now.
very busy.
Yeah.
You know.
I can see.
Yeah. So feel at home.
All right. Sure. I would love
I would like
place.
to take you to my room so that you have a look at it.
I don't mind.
You're okay?
Sure.
Okay. Patience.
Please, your name again.
No,
Patient.
Patience. Oh, okay.
See me, what would it be?
About your material, don't worry. Me have
Yeah.
the
Ubi Samuel. Men no Mayana. Meantime, be cinema Rihanna. See, Gynel, do you need your breakfast?
Please, a minute again. Atasa is calling.
okay.
Atasa! Say, the cat.
It's no really a one
I'm say I can say ma bibi ni wonti na fast na me nkopa bibi mbra na yin because you see she need
Nezi don't know hwe. Nya na ehwe.
say there be o
Open nya na ehwe.
ya me nka na time say what say me na me ba ko ma wo pia say
Radio say ke
wo ma me wo ma ko ma say even though say
sie ni ko si ni ma. Se sie o de ma
o ba ma me nko
da o ko yin. Ma! Mekachi ma!
Oh!
Ma be. Ade. Hello. Da o Johnny. O Johnny say.
Me didn't feel.
About it.
Me.
Arrested who do fear what it.
Me.
Oh, kwa ja won just ka.
Me just ka.
What just ka? We are sure. Arrested is what just ka. Nti ma kwa no for say da wa. Ha? When ja. Oh, when say peja this when Jessica.
And until I make pen to my copy there.
Nti ka we are there.
What is show?
Na what's hakula ngasa minim wo me buy black. Wo ade hey me jiri say wo no wonya me banka sa wo wonya me ba because I say
no can me. Oh, what's mama?
Like there be o ebusu say ade we be ni wo akula say wonu pedi bakas match o say sika ni pie me ye fast I go pay scaba no what mess up from me eteti ma me so the condition so no say communication be say me dane akulu kan ko check put this one.
Why me this show? Why? Ka wo na ka una nti simple na ka ye say wo kwa ka oba no nka hwe nchiro. Oh, wo di ufie so tete. Wo di ufie wo tete. Onye ska. Kwa na ya na am mse kwata dwale di. Why? Na me kwa enzi mi ya nema bebire si. Tere me ho aye de. Me na me hwe me. Me na me hwe me. Nti wo ba fie na nti se be ma. nti tese akokora ogita puma why
Nante me dinchini be gumu.
Yeah, gravity. Yeah,
nante o meti dey
yeah, o ade. Debio my ode. Eti untimi no wapa mfa adwene kakra mpoma wapa wo an kakra. Eti nkase bi unka me blese yi na nka wokopa me kakra. Na wo sa
pesi ni mu why we kokota drama no Kashi why we ko drug sakota drama no
Dinchini be guna duani mane.
Ode chiwa ko wa ho dia wo pa won ho dia de nchiri gogu na duani omo ayi nchiri gu omo duani maka ho bi
me me na twe.
omo edi nchiri gu omo duani we papa we ka ho bi
ha wa twa me jamu.
Nya o chance ka fra Kora mi fe ko sisi na mi de mi ni di wo te di fie wo tete wan oni wan poli ama na nani wan mu wan faso ama ne ha nwai uti ona ahwe nipa
Yeah, sweetheart.
Beautiful.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine. This is a call free. Yeah, small pasta go.
Okay.
A program just this Friday. Yeah, it's my passion.
This coming Friday.
Yeah, I hope you will join me. Also, my name now you're cool, not you're fit, you know.
I wish about my schedules no, I'm not sure say be possible.
This is just a praise concert, and yet any preaching be arguing because they own what can I say, hey.
My dear, the thing is, one say, when my juma me, what I say, Windows like enough from a permanent to do, but I was saying quite investigations been 1 or 2 be a day. Oh, sound quality. You see, like no, as I said, they also the say a few biana who report that you know at the right time. You understand me? Oh, if not like no, I would have joined you. I would have joined you.
What can I say? No problem. Then I'll go and leave you.
You're looking.
Let make sure say yeah, baby, show. Thank you.
I love you, baby.
I love you too.
But I think say they work on one chat there, right?
Oh, they be and then the main program.
Oh, okay.
Friday, Echna, Intino, and then they make a Friday or town. No, back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't forget, can I say, my fruit na doctor say I'm intending this fruit, watermelon, you know, yeah, with the grapes then blended together.
I'll get it for you. That reminds me. Yeah, let me make sure some but fear. It to be a problem.
Matia,
okay, so
I love you.
I mean to
I love you. I love you.
I love
I
you.
love you.
Okay, so feel free.
Yeah, sure. Patience. Let's say. Nice.
Okay. Then start some here very occasionally. Mommy clean.
Oh, okay. Don't worry. Like, feel free. Okay, Eddie away. Why?
Okay.
Oh, nice.
But
Oh, yes. Matia, I don't want. I know you are saying no.
Yeah.
Oh, she's so cold. The other side calling
Oh, my God, is here.
Oh, okay.
No problem.
All right.
Me when you say.
Don't worry. You be never for. Why?
Yeah.
Oh, Kulani, Akola. Yes, so yeah, it's a tip from Timmy Sabi. I am not meeting you when the movie. Sometimes I when I put you on when I yeah, and a bois. It's a depression and stress, it's not depression in household. I'm calling out for who Madame go the same open.